So when did you guys start noticing the issue?
Day before yesterday.
Day before yesterday? These plugs work?
Yeah. The one in
The one at the below?
yeah.
See all that?
Yeah.
So that's everything that's going down your drain. Looks like a lot of hair. You know what that could also be coming from your bathtub. Because this line ties in to the bathroom,
Okay.
but you gotta watch what's going down because everything connects, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Hair cannot go from the sink.
Ah.
It has gone from the bathtub.
But you still gotta watch what's going down. It feels a little greasy, right? So there's obviously grease and oil going down your sink.
Okay.
Because I know it's not in the main, because if it was in the main, the bathtub would have started backing up, not the sink, right?
Okay.
So that tells me it's just in your branch. What I'd like you guys to do is every day for the next week and a half, Run hot water
Okay.
for about a half an hour. After you're done your dishes,
Okay.
just let it run.
Okay.
And then that'll help if you wanted to. You could even boil some pots of water and throw it down.
Okay.
And then after the week and a half or so, maybe do that once a month.
Okay.
Just kind of as like preventative, right?
Sure.
Has the water always been slow like this?
Yeah, it has always been like this. Or maybe like a year back, it was fast, but
Yeah, these things get clogged up. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put this on.
okay. Without the filter?
Without the filter.
Okay.
So you get a lot more pressure, right?
Yeah.
And that's better. You want the pressure. Unless you want it slow again, I can put it back on slow.
That's fine. That's fine.
So what to do is just keep this here, okay? If anybody asks you, say I forgot to put it back on. And that's it for this one.